Good morning students. Today we discuss about MySQL, the language which we use for creating database. As we know that database is a collection of related data, and DBMS is the software which we use for creating or accessing database. Now, what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language and it is pronounced as SQL. It is the standard user and application program interface for a relational database. As we have studied in our previous class, that DBMS are of 4 types, and the most popular DBMS is relational database. Relational DBMS. In relational DBMS, everything is stored in the form of tables which are known as relations, and the examples of relational database are MySQL. So today we learn about MySQL. So for relational database we use MySQL database, Oracle, MySQL Server, Sybase, etc. and mostly uses SQL. SQL programming is used to insert, search, update and delete database records. Now, history of MySQL. MySQL is a very popular relational database software. It was created and supported by MySQL AB, a company in Sweden. Two engineers named David Axmark and Alan Larson, and one friend named Michael Videnius, commonly known as Monty, developed MySQL on May 23, 1995. MySQL is downloadable from the site www.mysql.org, and logo of MySQL is this. What is MySQL? MySQL is a relational database management system which stores data in the form of tables. It is based on a branch of algebraic set theory known as relational algebra. It organizes data in the form of tables, and tables are made up of rows and columns. A relational database has following major components: tables, records or tuples, field and columns or attributes. A row in a table is known as tuple, and for example we have 2, Abhit, Delhi, 14. So it is a tuple. जो टेबल हमारा क्या है, कलेक्शन ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स है, और एक रो को, टेबल के अंदर जो एक रो है, डेट रो इज नोन एज टपल, और जो कॉलम है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल रोल अंडरस्कोर नंबर, ये हमारा कॉलम है, तो इससे हम बोलेंगे फील्ड और एट्रीब्यूट, और वन जो एक रो है उसको हम बोल देंगे रिकॉर्ड. So, the number of relational database management systems are available in the market, and some of them are MySQL, Microsoft Access, Oracle, DB, DB2, etc. Now, what are the advantages of MySQL? Why we choose MySQL, as we have a lots of softwares available in the market? MySQL has a high performance compared to other relational database systems. Why? Because of its simplicity in design and support for multiple storage engines. First, it is an open source relational database management system. Open source means it can easily available on the internet. You can download it from the internet without any cost. Second, MySQL works on many platform, means आप उसको किसी भी मशीन पे रन कर सकते हो। उसमें कोई भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, विंडोज़ है, लिनक्स है, मैकिंटोश है, इट्सेट्रा, कोई भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पे आप उसको इजीली रन कर सकते हो। दैट्स वाई वी कैन इट सेज दैट MySQL वर्क्स ऑन मैनी प्लेटफॉर्म और MySQL इज़ प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट। नेक्स्ट एडवांटेज है, इन ऑर्डर टू इंटरैक्ट विद MySQL you will need a server access tool that can communicate with MySQL. MySQL support multiple user connections, एक साथ मल्टीपल यूजर्स SQL को यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो these are the advantages, that's why we choose MySQL for creating relational database. Thank you.